How to fix video call problem on Facebook Messenger. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In Settings, click on Apps and Notifications. After you've clicked on Apps and Notifications, click on App Info at the top. Then you'll find lists of your apps. Select Messenger. After you've selected Messenger, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, click on Permissions, which is the second option. After that, you'll find these options. Click on Microphone. After you click on Microphone, make sure it's in Allow Only while using the app, and make sure there's a dot. After that, go back and click on Camera. And in Camera, make sure it's Allow Only while using the app as well. After that, you can simply go back to your Messenger and your problem will be solved. This is how to fix video call problem on Facebook Messenger. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.